Hey Figma team or team at Figma. Sorry. My name is Arpit Singh Alwalia, and I am a senior studying my master's in strategic design and management from Parsons School of Design here in New York City. I remember Figma, especially from the last couple of months when our team and I won the school prize at FigBuild, and it was an amazing experience, and it's definitely one of the highlights of my year so far. So when I got the email from Alex applying for this campus leader position, I was very excited, and I've been obsessing over this for the last couple of days. So, fun fact about me, my last two pets were named after their breed. So I had a beagle named Beagle, and then I have now a cat named Bilu, which is Hindi for cat. So still making some progress, I think, but I feel like as a creative, I'm not the best at out of the box names. So it's fun fact, work in progress. I'll keep you guys posted of the third one if that happens. My favorite Figma feature, I think, has to be it's either between auto layout or variables. I love auto layout just because I remember how much time it saved me the first time I learned it as a young designer, working in my B2B SaaS role. And it's still something that I love introducing to folks who are just new to Figma and like just watching the reaction where it's like, that saves so much time. So that's really cool. An event that I love to host on campus would be something which brings out the community aspect of portfolio building. I feel like as designers, we're consistently either redesigning our portfolios, picking or switching between tools. And I feel like Figma itself is such a great tool to just represent your portfolio. You don't have to like lean on to the latest website builders for that. So I think somewhat of a community aspect around that, like leveraging Figma for building that, but also creating this community, a database of knowledge sharing, and it's not such an isolating experience to just, build your own portfolios with the fear of, somebody stealing your design style or your case study content. But I think it's more collaborative than that. It's design always has been, and I want to bring that aspect back to portfolio building. So I know I'm at time, so that's my suggestion, and really, really excited to continue for this application, and we'll see where we land. But nice to meet you all.